Here's some big news about Pictory AI that can save you a lot of money. Now you can get access to new features at a lower price, if you know how to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access those features. I'll also show you how you can create videos for free. Plus, I'll give you a lifetime coupon code so you can save 20% forever on any Pictory plan. Let's get to it. Pictory is an easy AI video generator that recently partnered with Getty Images and ElevenLabs to add even more visual and audio assets than they had before. Getty provided 10 million new high-resolution videos, and ElevenLabs provided over 50 hyper-realistic AI voices. Up until now, you had to buy the Pictory Professional plan to access those features. If you only had the Pictory Starter plan, you were out of luck. But now you can access those premium features on a month-to-month basis without upgrading your entire plan. It's an inexpensive way to add Getty video or hyper-realistic AI voices based on your project needs. Here's how it works. Let's say I have the starter plan and I'm creating a video about travel to Greece. I automatically get access to many videos from Storyblocks, but there are other videos which are marked with a crown or the words Getty Images that I can't fully access. To get unlimited access to those videos, go to your user profile in the upper right corner and click My Subscription. Then choose the Getty Images add-on for only $10 per month. Instantly, you'll be able to download as many Getty videos as you want. Here's a sample I created using the Getty videos. All of their videos are high resolution and royalty free. Plus, any Getty watermarks you see in preview mode will be removed once you download the video. Getting unlimited access to Getty videos for only $10 a month is a great deal, especially when you compare it to the price of downloading videos directly from the Getty website, which can easily break your budget. $10 per month is also less expensive than upgrading from the Pictory Starter plan to the Professional plan, which costs an additional $20 per month. Best of all, you can cancel the Getty Images add-on at any time without affecting your regular subscription. Now let's talk about AI voices. At the time of this recording, the Pictory Starter plan gives you access to 34 standard AI voices and 7 languages. But on the Professional plan, you get access to over 50 hyper-realistic ElevenLabs voices and 29 languages. The best way to understand the difference between standard and hyper-realistic voices is to listen to an example. In this video, the narrator is a standard AI voice named Ava.
Welcome to one of the most beautiful travel destinations in the world.
Now I'll change to a hyper-realistic AI voice named Matilda so you can hear the difference.
Welcome to one of the most beautiful travel destinations in the world.
Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? To access these premium voices, go to your user profile, click My Subscription, then add on ElevenLabs voices for only $10 per month. That will give you 60 minutes of AI voice generation. If you ever run out of minutes, simply click the drop-down menu and increase your minute allocation for the month. And if you ever want to go back to only standard voices, just cancel the ElevenLabs add-on. Pictory also has a generous free trial that allows you to create up to 3 10-minute videos without paying anything at all. Here's how that works. Click the link in the description below to start your free trial. Then enter your name, email, and a password. No credit card is required. Pictory will send a verification code to your email, and after you enter it, you'll come to the Pictory home screen. From here, you can create 3 10-minute videos absolutely for free. During your free trial, you'll have access to thousands of Storyblocks videos and photos, 34 standard AI voices, and 15,000 music tracks. You even get access to Getty videos during your trial. If you want to learn more, I'll link up my Pictory tutorial in the description below. By the way, if you do decide to buy anything from Pictory, be sure to use my coupon code Kimberly20 to save 20%. This discount can be used on any Pictory plan, including the add-ons, and it will be applied for the lifetime of your subscription. Here's how to use the coupon code. Start by clicking the link in the description to log into the Pictory homepage. In the upper right corner, click My Subscription to see the different plans. These are the prices for the annual plans at the time of this recording. You can also choose monthly plans for only a few dollars more. After you choose a plan, you'll be able to enter the coupon code on the next page. In this example, I selected the starter plan at $19 per month or $228 per year. After you enter the coupon code Kimberly20 and hit apply, you'll see that you get a 20% discount of over $45, which reduces the price to $182.40 per year. This coupon code works for any type of Pictory plan, monthly or annual, including any add-ons you purchase. And every time your plan renews, the 20% discount will automatically be reapplied, so you can continue saving money in the future. Plus, it will support me as I continue creating great video content for you. If you need to create faceless videos for YouTube, social media platforms, marketing, education, or training, Pictory can also save you a lot of time. To learn how to create Pictory videos in less than 10 minutes, watch this video next.